Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about a famous website named slicethepie.com, and in this website you can earn money only by listening music and watching videos. So I'm gonna take you there. You can see that get paid for your opinion, and you know what? Slice the Pie is the largest paid review site on the internet. You earn cash for every review you leave, and you feedback on tracks, clothing, and lots more goes directly to help artists, record labels, and brands make decisions. So, first thing first, you have to log in or sign up in your account. If you, for example, if you don't have any account, you just have to sign up there, enter your first name and last name there, enter your password here and confirm password here. So make sure you write down your password, so don't forget your password, and enter your email address. If you are male, then click on male. If you are female, then click on female. Enter your referral code if you have from your friend. Enter your birth date, month and year. If you don't have referral code, then it's okay, they can also sign up your account. And all you have to, and all the boxes are there, you have to click on this and join. After clicking join, they will send you a Gmail and your account will be signed up.